standing here with Jacob Nielsen, a local qualifier for the Planet Wind tournament. Jacob, how's the tournament going?
It's going well. I started day 2 rather short in chips, but big on hangover, so that was a struggle. I managed to suck out and double up, and since then it's been kind of a roller coaster. Being on the top right now, so that's a good feeling, and hopefully I can keep building on that stack I have now.
Is it hard keeping focus?
Yes.
Why?
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not a poker pro, so I think, and that's probably why it's hard for me to sit and focus on poker 10 hours a day, and I have other things I focus on. My sports betting is more important to me, and I have a lot of focus on that, to be honest. So, but obviously, getting deeper and deeper into the tournament, it automatically increases the focus.
As we said earlier, you're a local, and Malta is known to having a lot of these events. Do you play any of them?
Whenever I have the time, I try to play. I always like the tournament here. It's always well organized. And being that I live here, it makes it a little bit more easy for me to come to this tournament. So yeah, I play quite a lot of them. Yeah.
Portomaso Casino also hosts a lot of daily tournaments. Do you also play those?
Not that often anymore, but it happens. I come, I would say, maybe twice every other week or something.
So you're a big part of the community here?
I would say so. Yeah.